Story 22. It is related that a hermit consumed during one night 10 mun of food and perused the whole Quran till morning. A pious fellow who had heard of this said, it would have been more excellent if he had eaten half a loaf and slept till the morning. Keep thy interior empty of food, that thou mayest hold therein the light of Marifet. Thou art empty of wisdom for the reason that thou art replete with food up to the nose. And you eat for survival. But gluttony and stuff can certainly outstrip these worship acts in terms of one's scale.